Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are well at staying home. Children, in this video, I am going to teach you the next chapter, number system. In this chapter, you learn about the number system, why computer needs the number system. So let you know first what is number system. Children, you all know that computer is a machine and it does not understand the language that human beings speak. The instruction given to a computer can be in the form of letters or words. It translates the letters or words that you type into numbers. The data is also stored in the form of numbers. This is because it can understand only numbers. Understood? Binary number system is used to computers because the computer can understand only two states, that is presence and absence of the electrical pulse. A binary digit is called a bit. There is two possible states in a bit, that is 0 and 1, and these are the two numbers used in the binary number system. A number system is a mathematical way to write numbers. A computer can understand the positional number system or place value notation. You understand what is the place value notation? Means if you write 536, it has 3 digit 536. 5 means 100, 3 means 30 tens, and 6 is unit. 500 plus 30 plus 6. This is the expanded form of this digit, and this is the place value unit, tens and 100. The return of this method is also known as the expansion method. Now, I am explaining you one by one these number systems. First is decimal number system. The decimal number system consists of digit 0 to 9. 0 to 9 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Because it consists 10 digits, this is also known as base 10 number system. These 10 digits can be used in any combination of form to form any number. Examples like 1345. It holds 1, 3, 4, 5. 0 to 9. This is the combination of these digits 1, 3, 4, 5. The base of decimal number is 10. You know, the base is decimal number is 10 because the total digit in this number system is 10. Next is binary number system. Binary number system consists only and only two digits. This is 0 and 1. Because it consists only two digits, so this is known as base 2 number system. Like 1101, 1011, 101, 10. The combination of 4 bits is only contains two digits 0 and 1. The binary system is also called the base 2 number system It is the most fundamental numbering system in digital computers. Third is octal number system. Octal number system is another type of number system, has the base 8. It is also called base 8 number system, and this number system consists of 8 digits from 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is also a positional number system or place value notation system, and each octal digit is expressed as a power of 8. The writing method of octal number is, suppose 288 octal number, and within a bracket you write 288 and bracket close, then 8. This is the symbol of base. Next is hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system uses the base 16 systems. This number system consists of 16 symbols: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. But remember it, 0 to 9 is digit, and for representing 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 by alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F. A is represented 10, B 11, C 12, D 13, E 14 and F for 15. Now the question is how you convert these numbers decimal to binary, decimal to octal and decimal to hexadecimal numbers. I am taking here one number, for example decimal numbers, and converting it into binary, octal and hexadecimal number. So first I am going to convert this decimal number into binary number, and binary number here is mentioned 2, base 2. It means we multiplied this decimal number by 2. Look at here, 2 and 117. First you divide by 2. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10, and here 1 left, 1 and 7, 16, 17, and 2 8s are 16, 17, 1 is left, so mention here 1. Again 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 2 2s are 4, 1 left, 1 and 8, 18. Now 2 9s are 18, complete, there is no remainder, so write here 0. Again by 2 multiplied it, 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8, remaining 1. Again by 2, 2 7s are 14, remainder is not left, so mention here 0. Again 2, 2 3s are 6, remainder 1. 2 1 ja 2, remainder is 1. Now don't left this one. This 1 is written also here. Now draw the arrow down to up, and write this binary number as 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. This decimal number is converted now in binary number, and this is 11100101 is binary number of which decimal number 116. Understood? Next is in. This is clear? Now come on the next. Now I am converting decimal number into octal number. The same process here. 100 and listen, 1110101 1110101. This is the answer. Now come on the second one. Here I am solving. 117. Now I am divided by 8 because I want to convert in octal number. So we divided by 8. 8 1 ja 8, 9 10 11, 3. Okay, and this is 7. Now here is 37. 8 4 ja 32. 8 4 ja 32. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. How much remaining? 37 में 32 minus remaining number is 5. Again 8 1 ja 8 and 9 10 11 12 13 14. How much? 6. Then again this one is right here, again down 2 arrow key, and 1 6 5 is converted, and base 8. 1 6 5. So right here 1 6 5, decimal to octal. Now last 117 decimal number converted into hexadecimal. How? Let's see. 16 7 ja 112 and remainder is 5, and now 7 is not divisible by 16, so copy here 7 again. 7 5 base 16. 7 5 base 16. This is converted into decimal to hexadecimal. Decimal number into hexadecimal. I hope you all clear the decimal to binary, decimal to octal, and decimal to hexadecimal. Now one more thing, how you convert binary number into decimal number. Suppose binary number into decimal number. How it convert? Suppose you have 1101 1101 base 2, and now you want to convert it into decimal number. How? First, to right, draw the arrow from right to left. Okay. Then 1 0 1 1. Multiply by 2, because this is binary number. And now decimal number, you want to convert in decimal number, and decimal number consists 0 to 9. So the power is from 0, 1, 2 and 3 and so on, if you have another binary number. Two की part 0, 2 0 0 and 0 1 जा 1, 2 1 जा 2 and 2 0 जा 0. 2 2 जा 2 की part 2, 2 2 जा 4 and 4 1 जा 4. 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8, 8 1 जा 8. Now count it. 4 8 4 12 and 1 13. Binary number is now converted into decimal number. And the important thing, if you have any confusion and you want to check this number, decimal number is correct or not, you again convert this decimal number into binary number, like 13 2 2 6 are 12, remaining 1. 2 3 are 6 0. 2 1 are 2, remainder is 1, and again this one 2 is not divisible by 1, so we 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 means your binary number is correct. Understood? Okay. I hope you all understand these conversion of numbers and this chapter. Okay, students. Thank you. Take care of you.